Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Joey with JLF Service and Outdoors. So, as you've seen in previous videos, we got the grill and the headlights removed, the hood removed, and everything. We are going to work on draining the radiator and everything else to get this all prepped to remove this cross member. The cross member bolts up here, bolts over there, bolts down here. You can't find out where your radiator drain is. It's pretty easy to see right here. I'll bring the camera in closer so you can see it. But you see this little red knob down here? That is your coolant drain for this F150 with an EcoBoost. You can reach it from the bottom pretty easy. Honestly, you can probably get it with a long flathead screwdriver, like a big flathead, and you just spin it. This little port right here that's got some mud in it, that's where coolant comes out, so make sure you got a catch pan below it. Oh, of course. That one, so rotted, it actually broke off. So your next option is actually going to be to take a radiator hose off and make a pretty good mess. So we will work on getting a radiator hose off. All right, to disconnect your radiator hoses, these don't have hose clamps. See that metal ring right there? Right there. You can pop it up with a flathead screwdriver. Kind of a pain to do it with one hand, but it can be done. You can pop it up. I usually just take them all the way off, like so. Now, that coolant line is ready to just kind of finagle it back. I want to try to do it as controlled as possible. Yeah, good luck with that one, right? So, as you can see, all it took was a little bit of wiggling and pulling back on it at the same time. It popped out, so we're going to let it finish draining with what it's got and go from there. All right, I want to take note that most of these clips that are on here, you can either, like this one, there's two little red tabs here, you just squeeze them, push, boom. This one, same thing. These you kind of push out and push up. This one, you just use a flathead screwdriver. It's got a little flat spot where you can put it and kind of twist the screwdriver and it opens up. And then it's just a matter of a little bit of wiggling and they come off. But I did look at the new used engine. It does not even have the turbos on it, so hopefully the turbos are good on this engine and we don't have to worry about that part of it. Alright, so you can see there's one plug, there's your second plug right there, and then all it takes is just using your pry tool. You can get where these zip ties are that you see. It's just a matter of popping them out. They go all the way across to the other side, so you gotta make sure you get them all. And that'll disconnect your fan, get the harness off the radiator area so you can pull the radiator assembly.